Keratin Therapy List Design. Express Method, the application method with the Mousse Maker. List Design Service for sleek, straight hair. Step 1. Distribute the deep cleansing shampoo over damp hair and massage well until the foam appears smooth and proportional. Then rinse. Repeat the same steps a second time. The technician recommends, if the hair is very curly and coarse, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes under a heat source before rinsing. Step 2. Dry thoroughly using a hairdryer. Divide the hair into 4 sections, 6 if it is very long. Step 3. Put on a pair of gloves. Fill the Mousse Maker with smoothing fluid. 80 milliliters should be fine, but adjust according to the length, density and porosity of the hair. Step 4. Section the hair in strands with a thickness of 1 inch 2 centimeters. Apply mousse generously, starting 1/4 inch 5 centimeters from the root. To distribute the mousse, all you need is your hands. A comb is not necessary for this step. Remember to leave the hair very wet with product. Step 5. Place a cap to cover the hair and leave the product to process under a heat source. The suggested time is 20 minutes. Remove the cap and let the hair cool at room temperature for 5 minutes. Step 6. Apply a rehydrating mask on the hair. Use a comb to distribute the product all over the lengths and ends. Leave to work for 5 minutes. Remove any excess product with a quick rinse, just 15 seconds for short hair and 30 if it is longer. Step 7. Dry the hair almost completely, about 80%, using a hairdryer, then move on to the brushing. Step 8. Section the hair into 1/4 inch 5 centimeter sections using a straightening or flat iron through each section as shown in the table. Express Method benefit. You can save about 25 to 30% of your time depending how long and thick the hair is. In fact, it is not necessary for you to use the detangling cream. To speed up the service, you can section the hair into sections of 1 inch 2 centimeters instead of 1/4 inch 0.5. After having used the straightening or flat iron, you do not need to rinse, just complete styling. Express Method, the application method with the Mousse Maker. For sleek, straight hair.